Hi everyone, Louise here from Marucci Car Sound. Today we have just installed yet another upgrade in the Mercedes X-Class utility. Using the factory screen, we have now a fully integrated Apple CarPlay. This Apple CarPlay utilizes all of the controls that are already inbuilt in the Mercedes X-Class, and as you can see, we have all of the use of Apple CarPlay through those controls.
Want to hear in red message?
So we can play unread messages here.
Louise Thompson sent you a new message. Can you please grab some bread, an avocado emoji, tomatoes and milk on your way home, with 2 kissing emoji?
That's pretty
Would
standard,
you like to reply? What do you want to say?
Okay.
Your message to Louise Thompson says okay. Ready to send it?
Send.